Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SephiaSpaces, where we explore beautiful homes, cinematic atmospheres, and spaces that feel like they belong in a dream. Today's home is something truly magical, a charming stone cottage wrapped in a soft blanket of snow, glowing warmly from within as if inviting you into a winter fairy tale. From the textured stone walls to the delicate lights illuminating the garden, every detail feels intentional, cozy, and deeply comforting. This is more than just a house, it's a seasonal experience, a place where winter is not cold but comforting, where the warmth inside contrasts beautifully with the quiet stillness of snow outside. So slow down, take in the peaceful winter air, and let's step into this enchanting cottage together, right here on SephiaSpaces. From the street view, this cottage feels like something out of a storybook, gently resting within a snowy landscape. The stone exterior gives it a timeless, almost historic presence, while the snow resting on the roof softens every edge, creating a calm and serene silhouette. The warm golden light glowing through the windows contrasts with the cool tones of the snow and sky, immediately drawing your attention. It feels alive, warm, and welcoming against the quiet winter backdrop. The pathway leading to the cottage is gently covered in snow, creating a soft and natural approach to the home. Subtle footprints or slight impressions in the snow hint at movement, adding life to the stillness. Low garden lights line the path, casting a warm glow that guides you forward, especially as daylight fades. This lighting not only adds visibility, but enhances the magical atmosphere of the space. The front yard is transformed by winter into a soft, textured landscape of snow-covered plants and gentle shapes. Bushes and small trees are dusted with snow, creating layers of depth and natural beauty. Decorative lighting wraps around small trees, adding sparkle and warmth that brings the garden to life even in the coldest season. Despite the snow, the space feels vibrant and welcoming, not empty or lifeless. It becomes a quiet winter garden, calm, peaceful, and softly glowing. The porch is small but incredibly inviting, framed by stone walls and softly illuminated by warm lanterns. The arched wooden door becomes the focal point, decorated with a seasonal wreath that adds charm and personality. The lighting here is gentle and golden, creating a warm transition from the cold outdoors to the cozy interior. Snow rests lightly on the edges, adding texture without overwhelming the space. This porch feels like a pause, a moment to take in the beauty before stepping inside. As you step into the entryway, the warmth is immediate and comforting. The cold of the outside world fades away, replaced by soft lighting and rich textures. Stone and wood elements continue inside, maintaining a strong connection to the exterior while enhancing the cozy atmosphere. This space feels welcoming and intimate, setting the tone for the rest of the home. It's a gentle introduction to a place designed for comfort and warmth. The living room is the heart of this winter cottage, centered around warmth and relaxation. A fireplace likely becomes the focal point, casting a soft glow that fills the room with comfort. The textures, stone, wood, and soft furnishings create a layered and inviting environment. This is a space where you imagine sitting with a warm drink, watching the snow fall outside, completely at peace. Every detail works together to create a feeling of home. The dining area feels intimate and cozy, perfect for warm meals during cold evenings. Soft lighting enhances the atmosphere, making the space feel even more inviting. It's not just about eating, it's about sharing moments, conversations, and warmth. The connection to the living space keeps the home feeling unified and comfortable. This is where simple moments become meaningful. The kitchen continues the theme of warmth and practicality. Natural materials and soft lighting create a welcoming environment for cooking and gathering. It feels lived in and comfortable, designed for real use rather than perfection. This is a kitchen where warmth is not just visual, but felt. The pantry offers practical storage while maintaining the home's cozy aesthetic. Shelving keeps everything organized and accessible, supporting the kitchen's functionality. Even in its simplicity, it reflects thoughtful design. It's a quiet but essential part of daily living. The bedroom feels like a warm sanctuary against the winter outside. Soft lighting and cozy textures create a peaceful and restful atmosphere. It's a space designed for comfort, where the outside cold feels distant and unimportant. Here, rest comes naturally, surrounded by warmth and quiet. The closet is simple and organized, providing space for essentials without clutter. Its clean design supports the calm atmosphere of the bedroom. Everything feels intentional and easy. It's a small but important detail. The bathroom feels warm and soothing, offering a comfortable space for daily routines. Soft lighting and natural textures create a relaxing environment. It's a place to unwind, even in the middle of winter. Simple, functional, and calming. The office provides a quiet and focused space, perfect for working or reflecting. The peaceful surroundings enhance concentration, making the space feel calm and productive. It's a place where creativity and focus come naturally, a quiet corner within a cozy home. The library is one of the most enchanting spaces, perfect for quiet winter evenings. Surrounded by books and soft lighting, it creates a deeply intimate atmosphere. It invites you to slow down and enjoy stillness, a space filled with warmth and imagination. The patio, lightly covered in snow, offers a beautiful outdoor extension of the home. Even in winter, it feels peaceful and connected to nature. The contrast between cold air and warm interior light creates a magical balance. It's a place to pause and breathe. The backyard becomes a serene winter landscape, untouched and quiet. Snow covers everything, creating a soft and calming environment. It feels private, peaceful, and deeply connected to nature. A perfect winter retreat. As evening settles in, the cottage glows warmly against the snowy surroundings. Lights shimmer softly, and the sky fades into deeper tones. The contrast between warm and cold becomes even more beautiful, creating a cinematic and emotional scene. It's quiet, peaceful, and unforgettable. A perfect ending to a winter day. Thank you for joining us today on SephiaSpaces. This winter cottage reminds us that warmth isn't just about temperature, it's about feeling, atmosphere, and the spaces we create. If you enjoyed this cozy journey, don't forget to stay connected with SephiaSpaces for more beautiful homes and inspiring spaces. Until next time, we'll see you again in another beautiful space.